Hello everyone! Some of you ask me, what is the optimal engine RPM when you work with the Bobcat B730 M series? It depends on the application, but definitely not the full gas. In general, I can say when you work with the front loader, it's enough to keep it between 15 and 1800 RPM. And while using Backhoe, work with 13 to 1500 RPM. With lower one, you could lose precision, and with higher one, it could be too jerky. And my tip for today? I recommend you to work with the machine between 13 and 1800 RPM. Of course, it depends on the application, but full gas is normally needed only for road transportation. Thank you for watching, leave me a comment and see you next time.